Hello students, welcome to All Scholar classes. So today I will be taking the third part of chapter 10 from class 6 science. So we have discussed if you will go in my part 1 and part 2 video, we have already discussed about the transport, the evolution of transport, and we have seen a different kind of discussion of measuring a distance, measuring curved lines, measuring a length, all this. Now, along with the measurement, there is a motion in the same chapter. So, measurement portion I have already completed. For that, you can refer my part 1 and part 2 video. In this part, we are going to discuss about motion. Okay. So, firstly, we will see the things that are moving around us. We will see some of the objects which are moving around us. Then we will discuss when an object is called to be at rest, when it is called to be in motion. Okay, these two discussions will be done. Then we will see all the types of motion in which we will mainly focus on rectilinear motion, the circular motion, the rotational motion and the periodic motion. So basically these four types of motions are there. There are subdivisions of some of the motions also. We shall be discussing all of those. So first, if you see about the objects that are moving around you. Okay? So if you see things or objects which you have recently used or things or objects which are around you. You can see this chalk, you can see this board, okay, light, fan and your school bag, a mosquito is there, your table is there, chair is there on which you are sitting, okay, some butterflies are there, dog is there or a piece of a stone is there, a horse is there, a ball is there. So like this, wall clock is there, light is there, bulb is there. So like this, if you will see, so many things are around you. So now the question is, now you have to think of when you are going to say an object is in motion and when you will say an object is at rest. Okay. So many objects are there around you. If you will see them, suppose you see a clock. What will you say about the clock? Is clock in motion or it's in rest? If you will see clock is at rest. Okay? Why is it at rest? Because this clock is not changing its position from one place to another with time. Okay? आपने क्लॉक को एक पर्टिकुलर वॉल पे लगाया है तो वो क्लॉक वही वॉल पे ही है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 10 मिनट के बाद वो इस वॉल से उस वॉल पे चली गई. नो, क्लॉक डजंट मूव. कोई मोशन तो नहीं हुआ क्लॉक में, तो कोई मोशन नहीं हुआ. क्लॉक अभी भी इस दीवार पे थी, 10 मिनट बाद के बाद भी इसी वॉल पे. ओके, बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द निडल ऑफ अ क्लॉक, niddle of a clock. So if the needle was on 6, if you see after 5 minutes, the needle will move on 5. Okay? Suppose this is a clock, this was the needle. This needle was on 6. But after 5 minutes, the needle has gone on 7. Okay? The minute needle has gone on 7. So what can you say? You can say that this needle is moving. Needle of a clock is moving. Okay, so needle of a clock is not at rest, but it is having motion. Okay? क्लॉक की बात करें तो क्लॉक तो रेस्ट पे है. क्लॉक 10 मिनट्स बिफोर, 5 मिनट्स बिफोर भी सेम वॉल पे थी और उसके बाद भी सेम वॉल पे. बट निडल को अगर आप देखोगे तो वो 6 पे थी 7 पे आई, अब 5 मिनट्स के बाद और आप देखोगे तो इट इज गोइंग टू मूव ऑन 8, then on 9, then on 10. Like this, the needle keeps on moving. Needle is not going to stop. Okay? Similarly, if you talk about a fan, what can you say? A fan is in motion or rest. If we see the fan, the position of fan is fixed. It was before also say on the hanging from the ceiling fan. Still, it is hanging on the ceiling fan. So it is on rest. But if we talk about the blades of a fan, so they are in motion. If you on a fan, the blades are running and running. Okay, they are in motion. They are running. So different kinds of things are there. If you see a table was before 10 minutes also it was here, and after 10 minutes also it was here. The table is not going to move with the time itself. वो कब मूव करेगी? जब आप उसे मूव कराओगे, बट टाइम के साथ वो हमेशा मूव नहीं करेगी. But if you see a bird can't be at one place. Sometimes they are sitting here, they will fly, they will go somewhere else. So basically motion और rest में क्या difference हमें मिला कि in motion the body of a particular object is going to move or it's going to change its position with respect to time. But if there is no change in position of an object or there is no change in the position of any body with respect to time, it is called to be in a state of rest. Okay, so rest and motion. First we will see motion. So in motion what is happening? When the position of a body changes with the passage of time. जैसे जैसे टाइम पास हो रहा है बॉडी का भी पोजीशन चेंज हो रहा है या कोई पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन चेंज हो रहा है, then it is said to be in motion. Okay? When the position of body or object changes with the passage of time. Okay? Next what happens? The motion of the body, it can be slow, it can be fast. Okay? Depending upon the distance it has covered with in a given time. कोई बॉडी स्लो मूव कर सकती है, कोई बॉडी जो फास्ट मूव कर रही है. somebody is running, so it is changing its position with time very quickly, very fast. But some of them are just walking, so they are very slow in motion. Okay? So motion of a body can be slow or it can be fast based on the किस बेसिस पे हम बताएंगे कि कोई बॉडी स्लो है या फास्ट है. based on the distance it has covered in a given time. Okay, so motion के examples, a bird is in motion. Okay, a clock needle is in motion. All these are the examples of motion. Now if we talk about the body at rest, whose position is not changing with time. Changing with time is said to be at rest. उसका टाइम के साथ उसकी बॉडी या उसके ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन में कोई चेंज नहीं है, वो पहले भी इस वॉल पे था, अभी भी उस वॉल पे है, ठीक है। सो वो टेबल अभी भी यहाँ था, आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स भी वही है। सो मोशन में क्या होगा, चेंज होगा पोजीशन में किसी बॉडी के, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के टाइम के साथ चेंज हो रहा है, ओके। और मोशन क्या हो सकता है, इट कैन बी अ स्लो मोशन, इट कैन बी अ फास्ट मोशन, दैट विल बी डिसाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द डिस्टेंस इट हैज कवर्ड इन अ गिवन टाइम, ओके। सो एग्जांपल इज अ बर्ड एंड अ क्लॉक नेम। देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स इफ वी टॉक अबाउट मोशन। रेस्ट, if we talk about rest, object or body whose position is not changing with time, no change in the position. Example, you can say table, chair, anything. Your school bag will not change its position unless and until you change your position, okay. So this was about motion and about rest, how we can decide whether a particular body is at motion or that body is at rest, okay. So motion means movement, moving, a body is moving with time, motion का मतलब ही है movement, okay. So now we will perform an activity. Activity to see motion. We will do an activity which will show you that how motion is carried out. Okay. For this, what you have to do, you have to take a sheet of white paper and you have to spread it on ground. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is take a sheet of white paper, okay. Now second step what you have to do is keep few cubes of sugar on it. कुछ शुगर के क्यूब्स आपको उनके रखने, keep few cubes of sugar on it, okay. Next what you have to do is that you have to keep that sheet of paper along with the sugar cubes on a place where there is a chance that ant can come. So some ants are going to be attracted to the sugar and you will see and find that many ants started crawling on the sheet of paper, okay. So next you are going to see that many ants are crawling on the sheet of paper. Fine. So next what you have to do, you will see, you have to follow any one of the ant, not all the ant. You have to keep making the position of any one of the ant. After few seconds it's move along, after few seconds it is going to move forward or somewhere, after some times it is going on to the other sugar cubes. So like this the ant is going to change its position and you have to point back. Suppose you have, this is a sheet and you have kept some of the sugar cubes. Firstly the ant was here, you just make it a dot here. Then you will see the ant has gone here, make a dot here. then the ant is gone here, take a dot here, it goes here, it goes here, it goes here, and then it goes away from the sheet. Now what you have to do, just shake the paper and let it be free from sugar and the ant. Okay? Now trace, now mark the position of one ant. Okay, you have marked here the position of an ant. Next, what you have to do, shake the paper so that it gets free from the ant and sugar, ant as well as sugar. Okay, दोनों से वो free हो जाए. You have to just shake the paper. Fine. Now what you have to do, you have to connect the different points you have marked on the paper. Connect the points marked on the paper. Okay? So each point you have marked shows where the ant moves in a interval. Okay, in a particular in a particular interval of time, you will see how ant can move. So ant was here, it goes here, it goes here, here. So this is what this ant is showing a motion. It is moving with a time. This activity is showing you that ant क्या है? Ant में motion, उसमें movement है. ant move कर रही है और उसकी position change हो रही है time के साथ. Position of ant is changing with particular time. So each point you have marked, it shows the change in the position. Firstly, the position was here, then the position of ant is here, then the position goes here, then the position of ant is here, then here, then here. So with the respect to time, the position of ant is changing. तो ये क्या दिखाता है हमें कि ant में motion हुआ. It is a very good activity for a motion. You need not to do much of the work. The only thing you have to take is a sheet of paper, put some sugar cubes on it, and just keep that on an area where you can attract some ants. Suddenly some of the ants are going to come and they will start crawling on the paper, and you have to catch one ant and you have to make the points where that ant is going. Okay, and after that just shake the paper, all the ants and sugar are going to fall down, and connect these points. So you can trace a path, you can make a path which is going to show you that how this ant is showing its motion with respect to time. So this was a very good activity. So now the question is that all kind of motion is same. If you see a fan, how it is moving? It is moving like this. Okay? If you see this ant, it was moving like this. Okay? If you see a train, how was train moving? Train was moving like this on a railway track. So all these type of motions you can see are different types of motion according to the path they are following. Some are following a straight path, some are following this circular path, some are having a zigzag path or a curved path, you can say. So different paths are followed by different objects, and on that basis we can say that there are different types of motion. जैसा path एक particular object, एक particular body follow करेगी, वैसा motion उसमें होगा. So on that basis there are some types of motion. So next we will discuss on types of motions. Okay? So let's see. So now we will see the types of motion. If we talk about types of motion, motion, there are basically 4 types of motion: rectilinear motion, circular motion, rotational motion, and periodic motion. So one by one we will be discussing all of these types of motion. So the first one is a rectilinear motion. Fine. First type of motion is a rectilinear motion. Okay. So if we talk about rectilinear motion, the motion which is occurring in a straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन में जो मोशन हो रहा है उस टाइप के मोशन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. मोशन which is occurring in a straight line is called as rectilinear motion. Okay? Motion that is occurring in a straight line. बिल्कुल straight line में जो मोशन होगा is called rectilinear motion. Okay, so this type of motion is also called as straight line motion. Okay, क्योंकि motion जो है वो straight line में हो रहा है, इसलिए इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? rectilinear motion को straight line motion, also called straight line motion. Fine. So now we will see some of the examples which will give you a straight line motion or a rectilinear motion. So when a vehicle moves on a straight road, how it moves? It goes straight. Nobody goes like this or nobody goes like this. No. If a road is a straight, we move straight. So motion of a vehicle on a straight road. Motion of a vehicle on a straight road. Remember to write a straight road, because sometimes there are circular road also, sometimes there are zigzag roads also. But we are talking about the motion of a vehicle on a straight line. Next, you must have seen the march part that is happening. How do these soldiers they march? They march like this, straight. They march straight only and they have formed a straight line. So the march past of shoulders in a parade is an example of rectilinear motion because they are marching in a straight line. Okay? So march past of a shoulder in a parade. Okay, it is also an example of rectilinear motion or a straight line motion, you can say. Now if you throw something, suppose you throw a coin, you throw a stone, you throw this chalk. How it has been thrown? It is thrown straight. It has gone straight. So this throwing of a chalk, throwing of a coin from a building is a straight line motion. A coin, or you can also say a stone thrown from a building. Okay? So this is also a straight line motion. Next, if you see a railway track, how does a train goes on a railway track? It goes in a straight line. So a train moving on a railway track is also example of rectilinear motion. A train moving on a railway track. Okay, so that is also being a straight line motion or a rectilinear motion. So rectilinear motion is a motion of a body in a straight line. If a body is moving in a straight line, we will say that it is a rectilinear motion. And And next, it is also called the straight line motions. I have given you some of the examples. Motion of a vehicle in a straight line, march past of soldier in a parade, a coin or a stone thrown from a building, a train moving in a railway track. Okay, so this was rectilinear motion. Next, we shall discuss on circular motion. The second type of motion is a circular motion. Okay, so the second type of motion is a circular motion. Fine. So now if we talk about circular motion, when an object is following a circular path, any object which is following which path? Circular path. ऐसा कोई सर्कल में वो मूव कर रहा है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट किसी सर्कुलर पाथ में या एक ऐसी सर्कल बना रहा है जो उसका मूवमेंट है वो एक सर्कल फॉर्म करेगा या एक सर्कुलर पाथ में जब मोशन होगा तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? सर्कुलर मोशन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि इन केस ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट remains same or it moves from one place to another. So the answer is that the object does not move from one place to another. Abhi rectilinear motion we have seen. In that I have told you an example that a vehicle which is moving in a straight road. So firstly, suppose a car was there, the car was here, then the car moves here, then the car moves here, then the car moves here. So this car is changing its position. In rectilinear motion, the position of the object keeps changing. But in circular motion, the position of the object is not changing, it remains same. Okay? So, example you can take a fan. These are the blades of a fan. When a fan moves, this keeps on moving and these blades they move. Okay? They give a circular motion. But the blade from a fan, the positions are fixed. The position of the fan is not changing, it is on the same place. It is not moving its place. Okay? So in circular motion, the position of the object remains same. It does not change with time, but the motion is circular. ओके, आई होप कि आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर होगा. स्ट्रेट लाइन मोशन में आपने देखा कि पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है वेहिकल की, लेकिन सर्कुलर मोशन में जैसा कि हम एक एग्जांपल के लिए फैन ले लेते हैं तो फैन कीप्स ऑन मूविंग बट इट डज नॉट चेंज इट्स पोजीशन. सो सर्कुलर मोशन इज अ मोशन which follows in which an object follows a circular path. Object following circular path. Okay, so that kind of motion is called circular motion. Is called circular motion. Okay, the second very important point about circular motion is that in this kind of motion the position of the object remains at the same distance from a fixed point. Okay, so the position of the object remains same from a fixed point. Okay, some examples we are going to see about a circular motion. If we talk about examples of a circular motion, the one very good example of a circular motion is that suppose this is a stone, you tie this stone in a thread. Okay, in a string you tied it and you rotate it. When you rotate it like this, it is going to move like this in a circular motion. Okay, so the first thing is that it is following the circular path, so that is a circular motion. The second thing, if you observe, suppose this is a string and you are holding it in your hand from So the position of this stone from your hand remains same. इसकी पोजीशन नहीं चेंज हो रही है, आपके हैंड से उसकी पोजीशन सेम है, बस वो ऐसे सर्कल में मूव कर रहा है. ओके, सो अ स्टोन tied in a thread moves circular. Okay, that's a circular motion. In this motion, the distance of this stone from your hand remains the same. इसकी distance नहीं change हो रही है, बस ये circular motion दे रहा है. Okay, so it is fulfilling the both the conditions. एक तो circular motion भी दे रहा है और distance भी इसकी नहीं change हो रही है. Second thing, if you talk about circular motion, a very good example I have already told you, the fan blades. They keep on giving a circular motion and the position of the blade remains same. It is not changing. Okay. Blade of a fan. Okay. Next example, if you see, is the hands of a needle. What happens? This is a clock. These are the hands of a needle. They keep on giving a circular motion, but the position of this needle is not changing from this fixed point. The distance is same. ये जो fixed point पे needle लगी हुई है, इसके बीच में इसकी distance same है, वो कहीं पे भी रहे. Okay? So hands of a needle. Hands of a needle gives a circular motion. Okay? The clock by themselves is not moving. You don't see that the clock was here and then it goes anywhere else. No. Clock is not changing its position. Only the needle is, or you can say the hand of the clock is moving. Next, if you have been into a type of a ride, you must have taken a giant wheel ride. What's that? In that, this is some fixed position and the wheels are like this. They are rotating like this in a giant wheel ride, but the position is same, the distance of the position is same. Okay, so that's also a circular ride, giant wheel ride. Fine. So circular motion में object कैसा path follow करेगा? Circular path follow करेगा. और position of the objects remains same. Position नहीं change होगी object की. These are some of the examples: stone tied in a thread, blade of a fan, hands of needle, and giant wheel ride. So these all shows a circular motion. Nowhere the position is changing. Only there is the object is moving in a circle. Fine. So the third type of a motion is a periodic motion. Okay? Periodic motion is a motion in which an object repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time. एक fixed interval of time के बाद object की position सेम हो जाएगी. अभी वो यहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे गया, फिर एक फिक्स्ड इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम के बाद वो वापस से यहाँ पे आ गया. सो इन केस ऑफ पीरियोडिक मोशन द ऑब्जेक्ट रिपीट्स द मोशन आफ्टर अ फिक्स्ड इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है? फिक्स्ड इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में वो एक मोशन रिपीट करता है. ओके? एंड ऑब्जेक्ट रिपीट्स its motion you have seen a clock pendulum, this is suppose pendulum, how it moves, it goes here, comes back, goes here, comes back. ओके, ये पेंडुलम अपनी पोजीशन पे वापस एक फिक्स इंटरवल और टाइम में आएगा। वो यहाँ पे गया, वापस यहाँ पे आया, फिर इधर गया और फिर वापस यहीं पे आ गया। ओके, सो बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज अ क्लॉक पेंडुलम। ओके, सेकेंडली, व्हेन अ चाइल्ड स्विंग्स, हाउ इट स्विंग्स? लाइक दिस, टू एंड फ्रो। यहां से स्टार्ट किया, वापस गया, फिर वापस यहीं आया, टू एंड फ्रो मोशन। अ चाइल्ड swings. Okay, that is also a to and fro motion or a periodic motion. Strings of a guitar. Strings of a guitar. It also gives a to and fro motion. Okay, so periodic motion is a motion in which the object repeats its motion. उसका motion repeat होगा in a fixed interval of time. Best example is a clock pendulum, a child swing, the strings of a guitar. All these are the example of a periodic motion. The fourth type of a motion is a rotational motion, and this is the last type of a motion, that is a rotational motion. Okay. So, rotational motion. अब rotational motion में क्या होता है? The rotational motion is a type of the circular motion that we have studied. Okay, circular motion में हमने क्या देखा था? एक सर्कल ऐसे मूव हो रही है. This is a circular motion. Circular path it is optic. But rotational motion is a type of a circular motion where an object rotates on its own axis. ये उसकी axis है, अपनी axis पे वो ऐसे fix है और ऐसे ये rotate हो। Okay, it is rotating like this on its axis. ये axis है suppose, and इसी axis पे ये ऐसे rotate होगा, fix axis पे। Okay, so rotational motion is a kind of circular motion where a object rotates on its fixed axis. अपने एक fixed axis पे वो rotate करता रहेगा। The example is a spinning top. कभी आपने टॉप देखा होगा, लट्टू को नचाए हैं ऐसे, तो उसकी एक एक्सिस फिक्स है, उसी एक्सिस पे वो लट्टू ऐसे नाचता है। ओके, सो स्पिनिंग टॉप इज अ बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस। इवन द अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट एक्सिस। अर्थ अपने एक एक्सिस पे रोटेट करती है, ठीक है? तो अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट एक्सिस. It's also a very good example. So rotational motion is a kind of circular motion where an object rotates on its fixed axis. Example is the spinning top and the rotation of a earth. Okay, so these were the four kinds of rotation which we have seen. These were the types of rotation, but what happens sometimes an object gives more than one kind of rotation. कभी-कभी क्या होता है, एक से ज्यादा टाइप के रोटेशन कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दे सकता है. So that is going to be called as combination of two or more than two types of rotation. Combination of two or more than two types of rotation. Okay? टू या टू से ज्यादा टाइप्स ऑफ रोटेशन जब होंगे तो हम उनको क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं होगा, केवल रेक्टिलिनियर नहीं, केवल सर्कुलर नहीं, केवल पीरियोडिक नहीं, बल्कि वो जो 4 मोशन हमने अभी पढ़े हैं, 4 टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन, उसमें से कोई 2 कंबाइंड हो सकते हैं, 3 कंबाइंड हो सकते हैं, 4 कंबाइंड हो सकते हैं। तो मोर देन 2 मोशन अगर कोई एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट दिखा रहा है तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मोशन। The best example is the motion of a ball on a ground. What happens when a ball moves on a ground? When a ball is moving on a ground, it is rotating on its axis. अपने axis पे वो rotate कर रहा है. Okay? Along with it is rotating in a straight line. आप बॉल को फेंकोगे ग्राउंड पे तो बॉल आगे की तरफ बढ़ेगी, तो ये जो आगे बॉल बढ़ रही है ये कौन सा मोशन है? Straight line motion or a rectilinear motion, you can say rectilinear motion. Okay, if you throw a ball on a ground, ball आगे जा रही है, it's moving forward, so that ball is executing a rectilinear motion. But ये जो बॉल है ये साथ साथ में अपने एक्सिस पे भी रोटेट हो रही है, तो वो जो एक्सिस पे रोटेट हो रही है, I have told you when an object rotates on its own axis, it is called rotational motion. Rotational motion. So a ball on a ground motion example is motion of a ball on a ground. Fine. Motion of a ball on a ground, you can see it is moving in a straight line, that is a rectilinear motion, and it is moving on its own axis, which gives a rotational motion. So 2 types of motion are taking place. So this is a combination motion. 2 तरह के मोशन हो रहे हैं, एक से ज्यादा मोशन फॉलो हो रहा है, इसको हम बोलेंगे कि कॉम्बिनेशन मोशन है। अब एक और बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। The second example is the motion of earth. अब earth कैसे move करती है? Earth moves on its own axis, so it gives a rotational motion. Okay? एक तो earth अपने its own axis पे rotate कर रही है, as well as ये earth है. Okay? This is the sun. This earth moves around the sun. ये earth है, ये sun है. earth कैसे move कर रही है? sun के भी around move कर रही है और साथ में अपने axis पे भी move कर रही है. तो 2 types of motion हुए ना, एक तो ये इधर circular motion भी दे रही है and it is also moving on its path, so it is giving a rotational motion. Okay, so rotational motion plus circular motion, it is a combination of 2 types of motion. So these were about the types of motion, and we have also seen how there is a combination of motion. Okay, so in this part of the video we have seen that motion is a change in the position of an object with respect to time. Okay, the change in the position can be determined through the distance it has traveled. पोजीशन में कैसे चेंज हो रहा है? वो जो डिस्टेंस वो कवर कर रही है उसके हिसाब से. बट इन सम केसेस दे आर नॉट कवरिंग द डिस्टेंस, जैसे सर्कुलर मोशन में कोई डिस्टेंस नहीं कवर हो रहा है, बट इट इज मूविंग इन अ सर्कुलर पाथ, पोजीशन नहीं चेंज हो रही है. सो मोशन कैन बी स्लो, मोशन कैन बी फास्ट, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टाइम, the distance it is covering in a given time. Okay, so you must have seen a snail on the ground, it is moving very slowly. A butterfly is so fast. Okay, a river is flowing, aeroplane is flying. So there are thousands of examples we can see. Everywhere around us there is a motion. Motion के बिना life रुक जाएगी. Everywhere there is a motion. Blood is running in our body, that is also a motion. Moon is running around the earth, earth is running around the sun. Okay, so everywhere there is motion around us. Motion is very good, it keeps us going. Okay, so motion, movement is very necessary for life. So this was all for today. I have completed my part in the part 3 I have totally covered the motion portion. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give a like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel or is for yet, please do subscribe it so that you can get the daily updates of the videos. So thank you so much. Please see the description box where the link of our app is also given. You can download the app and you can use it. There also you are going to get some interesting videos. PDF notes are there, MCQ questions are there, and if you are interested for live classes, we conduct that also. So thank you so much. Thank you.